It's 5 a.m. almost.
5:25. Yeah.
And thank God.
Finally we've been let gone from Sarchu.
Yeah.
छोड़ दिया गया सबको पागलों की तरह भाग गए.
But it's, I mean, good. They're doing their
Yeah,
job.
yeah,
सुबह जल्दी उठ के
Appreciate
late night तक they just let people go when the roads are fine ahead.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
So I'm having a little hangover. I've only slept like 1.5 hours.
Yeah, I've still slept.
But एक बात है, अपनी गाड़ी में सोने का मजा है.
Yeah. Back to our Himachal. It's -1 degrees here at Sarchu, and thank God we've been waiting. I guess 4 o'clock. मैं फिर like you know around like 2-3 hours में सोई हूँ, maybe more than 3 hours, but he did not sleep. I guess he must have slept for like what 1 hour and drove from 7 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. So yeah, अच्छी बात ये है कि हमें पता चला है कि टांगलंगला रूट was also bad, like really bad. कुछ locals, एक टैक्सी वाले अंकल थे, उनसे बातचीत हुई तो उनसे पता चला कि टांगलंगला रूट भी बहुत ख़राब था. So thank God we did not take that because उसका भी वही हाल होना था जो नकीला पास का हाल था.
जी, और हम यायासो भी मिस कर जाते हैं.
एंड फिर बहुत दुख होता कि रोड भी अच्छा नहीं है एंड यायासो भी मिस हो गई. सो या आई मीन कांट वेट टू रीच जिस्पा, टेक अ हॉट वाटर बाथ
Yes.
एंड देन हैव समथिंग.
Ginger tea.
Ginger tea, yes, ginger tea, and sleep because today we are thinking we'll rest the whole day and then we'll leave for Shimla tomorrow. And the views are great. I will just show you. We are not morning people, but
Yeah.
wow.
But anybody can be a morning person looking at this.
Yep.
Look at the right side. Lush green grounds.
This
Left
side
में.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Carrie, early morning. Where are you taking us?
There are some beautiful ridges near River Sarap, so we are just going to check that out.
Nice.
And अच्छा थोड़ी legs भी straight हो जाएगी because
गाड़ी
मैं
में
पूरा
सोए.
ऐसे C shape में सो रही थी.
Yeah.
Trying to sleep. And yeah, feet were very cold. But now
Yeah.
it's fine. Wow, mornings are so beautiful here.
Let me just pan around.
Yeah.
This is a lovely morning here ahead of Sarchu. ये देखिए सामने Baralachala and all. We're headed there. Let's get back to the river, following Carrie, who's doubling up. Hold up. Morning spunk, huh?
Yeah, baby.
Didn't you? Now I've caught up. Speed बनाए रखें.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah. अरे अभी इन ridges पे sunlight जो पड़ रही थी. हाँ. But then Mr. Cloud took over.
Yeah. Oh, look at the sunlight from there.
Oh, it's streaming in, huh? क्या बात है, सब कुछ stream होता है आज के ज़माने में. Sunlight भी. Anywho, getting closer to the edge. Hoping for a promising view. It's a deep gorge.
Oh,
Is it gorgeous?
it is. The gorge is gorgeous. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Coming to the edge, everybody. Thandi hawa. What do we have? Let's see. Nice. Good. There you go. Let me zoom into these lovely sand formations. क्या बात है. Nature loves symmetry.
Yeah.
Lovely. चलिए गाड़ी की ओर चला जाए.
Can we go back? I don't want to go home.
ये फीलिंग हर बार आती है. कोई बात नहीं. We've come back only to revisit and explore more. Cheers.
Look at the water. Half of it is frozen and कुछ पे तो अभी भी बहुत thick snow है. Look at this. So imagine कितना ठंडा है अभी. Look at this, but it's so beautiful. Wow. इस रूट का अपना ही चार्म है.
That is true.
Yeah. The morning is fun. ग्राम्फू जाने की क्या ज़रूरत है? ये रहा ना ग्राम्फू पैच.
ये बिल्कुल Baralachala is filling in for Grampu
Yep.
today. Oh, and get a load of this. अरे भाई साहब downhill. चकाचक.
मुझे सोना है. Oh my
Lord
God.
Alto. नहीं Celerio. I'm sorry.
Lord Suzuki.
Lord Suzuki हो गए.
Sorry for the inconvenience. सर आप तो पूरी हेल्प कर रहे हैं. We won't blame you because
हाँ.
नेचर के आगे किसी की नहीं चलती.
नहीं चलती. Getting closer to Baralacha.
Yeah.
Easy does it वाली सुबह है.
6 बज गए हैं शायद या 6:30 हो गए होंगे.
6:30.
Yeah. We reached Chispa at 9:40 am in the morning. Final day है तो हमें लगा आज रेस्ट करना बनता है. So we stopped at our regular place. वो यहाँ विंडो से अभी दिख जाएगा. That's yeah. Yeah, Himalayan homestay. This is our regular place. Very frequently we come here and इसी के opposite एक ये नया कैफ़े खुला है and the menu is amazing. Sea buckthorn, yes. Like I said, I am not very good with names. Yeah, the Kurum Chispa. There is no love sincerer than the love of food. Well, that is very true. And I have ordered sea buckthorn mojito because sea buckthorn यहाँ की berry है and it's available in abundance over here in Ladakh and in some areas of Spiti too. So I'll try this and what have you ordered? You have ordered a coffee. Yeah, he's ordered a regular coffee. We had lunch at a very nice dhaba around the corner. I'll add clips उस जगह के. वो नया ही खुला था. राजमा चावल वर अमेजिंग. सो आज का एजेंडा है सिर्फ रेस्ट करना एंड कुछ पेंडिंग काम करना एंड मन तो नहीं कर रहा वापस जाने का बट जाना पड़ेगा सो दैट वी कैन कम बैक अगेन. Cheers. final day of the trip, and I don't think so we want to say goodbye, especially to this place. Jispa is always special because it's beautiful, the weather is great. हाँ, यहाँ का weather थोड़ा सा, I mean it is great of course, but हाँ कब change हो जाता है पता नहीं चलता है. Evenings बहुत ठंडी होती है, अभी धूप बहुत तेज़ है, but it's still very pleasant. So I guess we'll head home now. We'll take the Kullu Manali wala highway, then we'll go to Mandi and then so on to Shimla. Because अब वो भी रूट नहीं ले सकते. We were thinking of doing the Gramfu patch, but नहीं, maybe not this time. स्पीति हम चाह रहे हैं कि हम अलग से cover करें because we haven't seen Chandratal, so we'll cover that and other places too. So see you in the next series now.